My name is Keith Hull. Welcome to another NASE Minute. We're getting really close to that next estimated tax payment due date, and you may be wondering whether or not you are required to make those payments. Kind of a funny answer, but you're not really required to make those payments, but you probably should. The real question is, how much should your payment be? Now, the IRS gives us 3 safe harbors, or get-out-of-jail-free cards, if you will. 1, if you pay in at least the same amount of tax as last year. 2, if you pay in at least 90% of what you end up owing. And number 3, if you get within $1,000 of what you owe, then you'll have no penalties and no interest. So again, these are kind of safe harbors that the IRS gives us, recognizing that these are just estimates. You don't have to be exact. So which of those works best for you? Now, the first one there is the easiest of all, which basically is what you paid in last year. You already have the number. It's right on last year's tax return. Take that number, divide by 4, and that is your quarterly estimated tax payments. If you pay that amount in, you're guaranteed to have no penalties and no interest. That is a great method to use in those years you expect your income to increase, because even if you make a lot more money, you'll have no penalties and no interest by meeting that safe harbor. The second safe harbor, which is paying in 90% of what you end up owing, is the method to use when maybe you think your income is going to be a little lower. Maybe you lost a big customer. Maybe you had some time off or a vacation. So you expect your income to be lower. Your tax will be lower. So you don't want to pay in the same amount as you paid last year, because then the IRS has more of your money. So use that second method in the years that you expect your income to be a little bit lower. Now, the bottom line here is pick a number. Pick some amount, pay that into the IRS quarterly, and when it's time to file your tax return next April 15th, you'll be really glad that you did. If you need more information or you would like our help in doing those calculations, bookmark our website at nase.org, and always remember, you're not alone.